Before walking in the puzzle shelf, you need to sort out your tunage blasters.
Right, I'm gonna take these speakers out of the E36, stick them in the E34, because E34 I'm driving at the moment and it's a priority.
The screws are in an awkward position, so you have to use a bendy screwdriver, like this, to unscrew all the screws. Make sure you use the correct size speakers so that they screw right back into the original holes and do not give you pain in the ass. Then you have to make sure that your base works properly.
Так, уже получше, ребята.
Translation. Much better, homie G's.
Мы еще, наверное, amplify ебашим сабвуфер сзади.